gonna brush you because you have a lot of hair. You can do nothing about it. No. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl. I don't care if you complain. You got a lot of hair on you, man. I have to brush you. You're giving me allergies. You want to sleep with me and look at this hair. Look. You know this? Look at this. That's all your hair. You give me an attitude on me. What was that? Uni. Uni. I thought you were a good girl. Are you a good girl? Don't do that to me. I have to brush you. Yes, ma'am. Almost there, okay? Almost there. You're not hurting. You're so overacting. You're a drama queen. Doesn't it feel good? I'm brushing you. Be nice. Be nice. Wait, Uni, what was that? Oh my goodness, Uni. Don't do that to me. I'm not hurting you. Are you overacting? You're overacting, On. Look at this hair. Look. This is all your hair. And you're giving me allergies. You always want to lay down with me and cuddle me. Uni, I'm not hurting you. Don't be overacting now. Uni. I am brushing you gently. Uni. Stop. I say stop. I'm not hurting you, girl. You're so overacting. Almost there. You gotta brush your tail and your butt. Oh, what that? Wanna say something to me? Yeah. Yeah. Almost there. Your tail, okay?